Do you want to know what Bhagavad Gita says about mindfulness? Do you want to know what Lord Krishna says about mindfulness in Bhagavad Gita? If yes, then you are at the right place. This is Pratibha here. Let's explore the timeless wisdom of Bhagavad Gita and what it offers about mindfulness. Five timeless wisdom on mindfulness from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. They are focus on the present moment, acceptance of impermanence, non attachment to outcomes, awareness of the self, cultivation of inner peace. Start with the first one, focus on the present moment. Shlok 2.47 कर्मणेऽधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भुर् मा ते संगस्तव अकर्मणि. Meaning, you have a right to perform a prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action. This shlok emphasizes on like to live in present moment, to do your duty, but not to be attached with the outcomes. Similarly, mindfulness teaches us to be fully present in the here and now rather than dwelling on past regrets or worrying about future. Next is acceptance of impermanence. Shlok 2.14 मात्र स्पष्टास्तु कौन्तेय शीतोष्ण सुख दुःखदा आगमापायिनो नित्यास्त तां तितिक्षास्व भारत. Meaning, O son of Kunti, the non permanent appearance of happiness and distress and their disappearance in due course are like the appearance and disappearance of winter and summer seasons. They arise from sense perception, O son of Bharata, and one must learn to tolerate them without being disturbed. This shloka highlights the transient nature of happiness and suffering in life. Similarly, mindfulness encourages acceptance of impermanence and teaches us to ride the waves of life's ups and downs with equanimity, knowing that all experiences are temporary. Like we have day, we have night, we have summer, we have winter, we have happiness, we have sorrows. All are temporary. And next is non attachment to outcomes. Shlok 2.48 योगस्थ कुरु कर्माणि संगम त्यक्त्वा धनंजय सिद्धि सिद्धियो समो भूत्वा समात्वम योग उच्यते. Meaning, perform your duty equipoised, O Arjun, abandoning all attachment to success or failure. Such equanimity is called yoga. This shlok emphasizes to live in present moment, to perform your duty without being attached to outcomes. Similarly, mindfulness teaches us to let go of attachment to specific outcomes and instead focus on the process or focus on the journey, which allows us to find peace and contentment regardless of the results. And next is awareness of the self. Let's explore. Shlok 6.5 उद्धरेत् आत्मात्मानं नात्मानम् अवसादयेत् आत्मैव हि आत्मनो बन्धुर् आत्मैव रिपुर् आत्मना. One must deliver himself with the help of his mind and not degrade himself. The mind is the friend of the conditioned soul and his enemy as well. This shlok emphasizes on power of the mind in shaping one's reality. Similarly, mindfulness emphasizes self-awareness and encourages individuals to observe their thoughts and emotions without judgment, recognizing the role of the mind in either uplifting or undermining one's well-being. Next is cultivation of inner peace. Let's explore. Shlok 6.6. बन्धुर आत्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जिता अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तितात्मैव शत्रुवत्. Meaning, for whom who has conquered the mind is the best of friends. But for one who has failed to do so, his mind will remain the greatest enemy. This shloka emphasizes on saying that one needs to master the mind because that is the key to inner well being, inner peace. Similarly, mindfulness practices such as meditation and self reflection help individuals cultivate mastery over the mind, allowing them to find refuge and solace within themselves, even amidst life's challenges and chaos. Bhagavad Gita offers timeless wisdom which aligns closely with principles of mindfulness. Integrating teachings of Bhagavad Gita in our lives will deepen our understanding of mindfulness practices, which will lead to more clarity, resilience, and inner well being. If you want to learn Bhagavad Gita, you can join my class in free. You can comment on my Instagram or on YouTube here. Stay mindful, stay blessed, try to integrate teachings of Bhagavad Gita in your life. Take care. Thank you so much.